Are you experiencing glitches on Pinterest? Here's how to troubleshoot. First, check your internet connection. A slow connection can cause glitches in the app's performance. Try switching between mobile data and Wi Fi to see if this resolves the issue. Ensure your app is updated. Pinterest frequently releases updates that fix glitches, so be sure to download the latest version of the app. Clear the cache of your app to remove any corrupted files that could be causing the error. Restart the Pinterest app or your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve unexpected glitches. Lastly, if none of these steps work, reach out to Pinterest support to report the issue and receive personalized assistance. If the glitch is specific to a particular feature or board, it might be a temporary issue with the Pinterest server. Check for updates on their support channels. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.